Everybody, Ryan from Happy Trader IO here. It is Thursday, October 5th, 2023. It's almost 2 p.m. and we are going to be putting on a trade. Now, we have all of our criteria in place on the 5-minute chart for the NASDAQ here. We have our buy signal. This is criteria set A. You can see we retraced off that. That's our weaker set. This is going to tell us that, an uptrend is potentially coming, but it might not be here just yet, right? But we still have our green bubble. Once we get this uptrend signal, this is going to be like our AI uptrend signal. We're going to be pretty confident that we're looking at some sort of a long position. So we're going to go ahead, for the sake of paper trading, using real-time data. So this is going to mimic a real account. And we're just going to buy the NASDAQ and see what happens right at 2 o'clock. Let's see if we either blast up or if we go down. But when we have all of our happy trader criteria in place, you can see that if we hide, we don't have any idea if this is just going to roll over without our indicator, right? Look at all that information that you get. You have your buy signal, you have your bubble. So even though we retraced, we still have conditions in place and data points, and data set A is what we call it. That tells us that we still have the potential for an uptrend, right? So then you have your super signals here. And what you want to make sure that you do when you get these signals, let me go ahead and just remove the Illuma trend real quick, is you want to make sure that when you're in an uptrend and you get that arrow, a lot of times you'll want to wait instead of just taking this scalp. I will go ahead and take this scalp. We'll close the position at $150 profit with slippage. But a lot of times what you want to do, especially heading into a time like 2 o'clock, and we left some money on the table there, it looks like, is just make sure that you are in fact in an uptrend. So what is an uptrend, right? An uptrend is going to be a series of higher lows and higher highs. So we have a lot of traders that like to take these signals, but you can face a drawdown or even a reversal depending on your risk management strategy. Now you can see what we just did there using real-time data was just a classic scalp heading into the 2 o'clock hour. Looks like, I don't want to say we're fully reversing, but it looks like we could go positive and undo a lot of the damage from today. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Illuma trend. But generally, if you want to be ultra safe, you can just wait to make sure that when we do retrace with a red candle, that it is going to be above this arrow where we started, this candle where we started, and we have that series of higher lows and higher highs. And once we have that in place, if we get a red candle here that retraces all the way back down to here, that's going to be better than taking this candle as a drawdown, right? So my name's Ryan. I'm the CEO and head quant here at Happy Trader. This is going to be our last video in the paper trading series, which is a how-to for YouTube for anybody who's interested in kind of getting their feet wet without actually, using real money, having skin in the game, and getting used to the indicator. So again, we'll just turn on the Illuma trend here, and you can see that down here we have our paper trading balance. Looks like we're in a breakout, so the indicator did its job. All right, have a great day, guys.